Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is July 17th, 2016. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for gains or losses. Let's take a look at current market trend and our strategy. U.S. stock market is in an uptrend. I'm currently long the stocks and ETFs. Let's take a look at indices. And first is let's take a look here. First is the German DAX index. This index is actually in a downtrend. Right now it's right at a resistance level. It rebounded. We should see if the trend can reverse to the upside or it just come down. A NASDAQ index is in uptrend. It's rebounded strongly. Now it surpassed the peak of before the British Brexit. The vote of the British exit the European Union, and that brought down the market, but the market rebound strongly after that. Now it's already bypassed the previous high. So the market is in very strong uptrend. That doesn't mean the market won't pull back. It's possible it will pull back, but for now, every pullback is a buy opportunity. SP 500 also reached historical high. This has broken the previous high, and now it's at an all-time high. So this index also possible pullback again. Every pullback is a buy opportunity for the SP 500. Gold index, gold pullback last week. That is a buy opportunity here. It now sitting right above the previous high, 1300. So right now is a buy opportunity. Silver, very strong uptrend. Silver is consolidating last week after a huge run up. Gold mining stock ETF, very strong uptrend again. Crude oil looks like it's entering the downtrend. The moving averages has twisted and form a bow tie here. That's a trend reversal. Previously it was an uptrend, now it's going downtrend. Crude oil ETF, it's the same thing. It's going like a wave, the lower highs and lower lows. That's a downtrend. Energy stock ETF is consolidating. Right now, it looks like it's still in the uptrend. China Asia Index reverted to the upside, and right now it's in the uptrend. FXI China ETF broke previous high, enter another channel of uptrend. So it broke the previous peak. US biotech ETF downtrend, and this ETF it's in the downtrend, and right now is hitting the the channel, the downtrend channel, the upside of the downtrend channel. So it could pull back. U.S. real estate and uptrend, very strong uptrend. JETS, JETS ETF, this is an airline ETF. Right now, it rebounded very strongly from the low. So this ETF tend to be reverse of the crude oil price. And so right now, it could break up from here, could turn to the upside from here. It's possible. Semiconductor ETF, SMH is in the uptrend. Social media index ETF, very strong uptrend. Solar ETF downtrend. Financial ETF consolidating, no, sorry, not consolidating. Financial ETF previously dropped very hard, and suddenly it just went back up together with the overall market. So financial ETF is right now in an uptrend. However, it reached the previous high. So it's possible pull back a little bit. But again, this index is in the uptrend. Utility ETF consolidating last week, pull back a little bit. But overall, the trend is up. And this ETF has a 3.13% yield. So it pays dividend. So it's an ETF good for the long-term investing. Let's take a look at the stocks on my watch list. The first list is the stocks still within the buy point, which means it's a 5% within 5% of breakout pivotal point. The next list, second list of the stocks is already past the 5% of buy point. It's too extended to buy, but we still need to watch them. In case you have those stocks on the second list, you should hold on to them. If you don't, then we can watch them looking for the next buy opportunity, looking for the pullback. So let's take a look. First stock is AYI, Acuity Brands. This stock broke out from here, 263.97 right here. This is a breakout pivotal point. Right now it's within the buy point. Edwards Lifescience. This stock, aggressive investors can use this breakout, 103.97 as a breakout pivotal point. And this also brings us above 50-day moving average. Conservative investors can look for the next breakout, 112.1, 10 cents above previous high. That's a breakout point. Facebook, next breakout point is 121 and 18 cents above previous high here. That's a breakout point. Facebook is a long-term uptrend. So every time it came close to 200-day moving average, it bounced back up. That's an indication the long-term investor, usually institutional investor, hold on to Facebook. They're supporting this stock. Texas Roadhouse, TXRH, uptrend. Breakout pivotal, most recent breakout pivotal point is 46.72. That's a breakout point. VEEW, most recent breakout point is $35.79 right here. So still within 5%. Now, next list other stocks is already more than 5% of breakout pivotal, but those are very strong stocks. We have to watch them in case they pull back. That will create an opportunity for us to buy them if you haven't bought them. Applied Materials, this is a big semiconductor equipment company, very strong uptrend. It has several gap up, huge volume gap up, never look back, keep going up. Most recent one is here, gap up. This is a very good buy opportunity. As soon as the market opened that day, one should buy it. And they never come back to fill the gap. Very strong volume. And keep going up and kept pull back, hit 50-day moving average. The high volume when they come close to 50-day moving average, but never break 50-day moving average, keep bounce up. That's a support. That's a support. And now it's already past the previous high. It's too extended. You cannot buy now. The risk is very high to buy this stock now. But if we pull back close to a previous high, like $24.65, that could be another buy opportunity. Amazon is a very strong stock, and right now the uptrend is kind of very strong, but too extended, and just wait. This is also a wait. DY also a wait, and this is a breakout right here, very strong gap up, and then has another breakout right here, but we're too extended right now. Monster Beverage and strong stock extended. NetEase, this is a Chinese internet company. They make internet games and all that. So right now NetEase is too extended, and most recent breakout is $179.20, and we have to wait for it to pull back. NVIDIA, this is a stock must be on our watch list. NVIDIA, well, my bad. I started watching this stock most recently after Discover. It has been in an uptrend for a long time, and this is in a very hot sector called virtual reality. Is making chips, and this graphical chips. It's in a long-term uptrend, NVIDIA. So most recent gap ups and very high volume, never look back, keep on going. So this stock, I would say next time it pull back close to 30-day moving average, that would be a buy opportunity. TRU, TransUnion, very strong uptrend, no too extended now. VMC also too extended now. Weibo, this is a Chinese internet company. Again, it's a social media company. And it's very strong uptrend. This one I bought it for a while. So right now, if you don't have it, then wait for next buy opportunity. Looks like it turned to pull back to a 30-day moving average and bounce back. So next time it pull back to 30-day moving average, watch for it to bounce from there. Once it started rebound from the moving average, one can jump in and buy. But that moving average will become a stop order. If you would buy the stock to pull back to that moving average, and you have to set a stop order in case the rebound doesn't work, you just get out. What to do in this market? And this is a market one should long. But for whatever long position, we should have a stop order for protection. That'll be all for this week. See you next week.